Stepping in my joints like them motherfucking boots. Headed west on 40, changing on my route. 0H4L, that's my fucking truth. Staring at the ceiling when I'm not in the booth. Rapping with my cousin, making something out of nothing. My beat's not time of a dozen depressed, but I'm stunting. Don't care what you think, you can't tell me nothing. Sauce flat on the beach, you can hear me coming. Mally been real since before 2K away. Watch me weaving dub, flying through the interstate. Making my music till I get myself paid in the state. I've been working every day, if I make it, shit's not paid. Always posted up with a pop more sad bass. Fucking brutal like the shit, Mortal Kombat. Cooking something up, bitch, already on that. Always felt pressure, but yeah, 2F gone flat.
We gotta calm the stormy weather. We gotta calm the stormy weather.
That's just see this way if I'm ass at. That's hard. That's a new track a little bit. Bass in the sub, I in the back. Passengers seat is where you find my ass at. Down like Cooper Flag, knocking shit back. Drink, pale horse on the flank. Stacking up bread, Timmy D with the bank. Crank up the station, listen to my penship. I ain't got the patience for you to be patient. I gotta make it with my musical creations, bitch.
We gotta calm